All right, we're going over homework 206, and this is the inelastic collision homework. Problem number 1 is, unfortunately I can't see the book. Oh, that's better. Problem number 1, a car runs into a truck. The truck is stationary, the car is traveling at 15 meters per second. The car's mass is 1,500 kilograms, the truck's mass is 4,500 kilograms. It's initially at rest. They stick together. What's the final velocity of the pair? So we have our formula. The mass of the truck times the initial velocity of the truck, the mass of the car times the initial velocity of the car equals, because they stick together and move together, their combined masses times their combined V final. Plug in our numbers. 4,500 kilograms times 0, 1,500 kilograms, sorry, I had a mistake, times 15 equals 4,500 plus 1,500 times the V final. Okay. Multiply that out, you get 22,500 kilogram meters per second equals 6,000 kilograms times VF, and we're going to divide by the 6,000. And when you divide by the 6,000, you get 3.75 meters per second is your final velocity of the car and truck combo. Number 2. In this one, it's a grocery cart. A 9-kilogram bag of rice is thrown into a stationary cart of 18 kilograms. If the rice has a speed of 5.5, what is the speed of the combined cart and rice? So, again, MVI and MVI equals M and M plus VF. So 9 kilograms, which is the rice, times the 5.5, plus the 18 times 0 equals 9 plus 18 times VF. Combine that, you get 49.5 kilogram meters per second plus 0 equals 27, because that's adding, times VF. And we would divide by 27, and we get a final velocity of the cart and rice of 1.83 meters per second. Number 3, we have 2 rail cars sticking together. Both rail cars are moving. Each rail car is 15,000 kilograms. So 15,000 kilograms times 7.5 meters per second plus 15,000 kilograms times 1.5 meters per second, because those are the initial velocities that they give us. They click together and move together, so you have 30,000 kilograms times the final velocity. Do your math, and you get 105,000 plus 22,500, and that equals 30,000 kilograms times V final. So you add those two together, you get 127,500 kilograms equals 30,000 times VF, and you divide by 30,000, and the 2 train cars move together with a velocity of 4.25 meters per second. In our last question, we have a dry cleaning bag that is 22 kilograms. Is thrown into a 9-kilogram stationary cart. The cart and the laundry bag begin to move at 3 meters per second to the right. So that's the final. What is the initial velocity of the laundry? So I skipped the formulas. 22 kilograms times VI, because we don't know how fast the laundry bag is going to begin with, plus 9 kilograms times 0, because it's stationary, equals the 22 and the 9 moving together at 3 meters per second. So 22 and 9 is 31. 31 times 3 is 93. And so 22 kilograms times VI equals 93 kilogram meters per second. And we're going to divide by 22, and you end up with 4.22 meters per second. Number 5 can certainly be done, but I'm just going to tell you guys to skip on that one.